Hey everybody, Jay here from Modern Mississauga, and the good folks over at Lowe's Canada have sent me a spring care package. So I thought I'd do a quick unboxing video to show you exactly what's in the box. So let's just put it on its side, and our trusty knife, and put that far away. Let's open it up and see what we've got. So a really nice box. Whoa, a very loud box for that matter as well. So first up we have just a quick letter from our, hold on, let me get rid of this USB key. I think it's, oh, it's glued in there. Oops. Okay. No edits, just as is. So there is a letter from the Style and Trends director, who is Cindy Jardam. Very nice touch there. Just kind of explaining what some of the Style and Trends are for spring. Yeah, so that's that. I'll put that, a bit of this text in the description box. Anything on the back? Nope, which is good. USB key here with what I imagine to be some images. Very cool. Maybe some styling tips as well. Put that off to the side. And let's get this box out of the way a little bit. Actually, let's keep it up like that for some branding. There you go, Lowe's Canada. So it's actually their Patio collection for 2018. I love the raised, I guess you could see it here, it's raised. And there's a little bit of color in there as well. So good packaging, well done Lowe's on that. Little gift card, not sure the amount, but that's okay. Some is better than none. A gift voucher for one free can of HGTV Home Showcase interior or exterior paint. I really need this. Thank you so much, Lowe's, because the office walls I have are completely white and bare. Oh, and there is a cat, which is not part of the Lowe's collection, but we'll keep her in there for the cuteness factor because everybody likes kittens, right? All right, so there's another just quick introduction from Cindy Jardam, the Style and Trends director over at Lowe's Canada. Thank you very much for that. And just kind of going through it, there's a lot of color here, a lot of cool different setups. So there's some of the rustic roots things there. There's tailored tranquility over there. Just the amount of color here is beautiful, and it'll really help your yard, regardless of what size it is, really pop and jump out. And there's some globally grounded themes as well. And there's some different paint colors in the actual codes. So if that's exactly what you want, you can go after that. Urban mode is where we are here. So lots of blues, different shades as well. Again, there's a nice cool color palette right there. And kind of moving on, I'll just move back a touch and let you get a good view. Sorry, move the cat's tail out of there. Yeah, so there's a bit of that. Some more mix, match, and layer. So these are all couch cushions. A little bit of flooring options for your outdoor rugs, starting at only $39.99. Not too bad. Here's a quick look at my backyard. It's not the biggest backyard, and there's no third wall. So there's walls on the left, and there's walls on the right. Let's see if we can get that wall in there. Yeah, and there's my little barbecue, my air conditioner, and a hose, which obviously hasn't seen much action because it's been winter for what seems like months and months. But just to give you an idea, so that's kind of the scope of my backyard. Let me get out of the screen door. Yeah, so, you know, although I don't have a lot of real estate here, there's plenty a lot. There's plenty of things that I can do here to really spruce things up. We only have a table set up in the backyard here, so kind of going through this lovely catalog from Lowe's for spring will definitely help add some color and some life to it. Outdoor solutions, whether it's storage, more storage. Some beautiful lamps up there as well. Bright ideas, very cute, very clever. And Give Me Shelter, good old Rolling Stones song title. I think it's Gimme Shelter, the slang version. I don't think my yard personally is big enough for any of these things. Maybe they have smaller options. But for those of you who have more than I do, which is probably most of you, it's a good option to have and move on with. Light the fire, so warmth options as well. Barbecues. Look at that setup. How beautiful is that? If I had more yard space, I would absolutely go for that. That is fantastic. The Master Forge Outdoor Kitchen. Latest and greatest, some new trends there as well. There are some hoses and just a little more care for your lawn over there. Looks very good. And there are all of the items that you see in the catalog. They've been numbered and kind of like an index in the back. That's where you can find everything that you need. And there's a third page. I love how it's textured, and it's a nice little Lowe's logo as well. For more information, please. Oh, that's the PR contact. Okay, never mind. So let's go back to the beautiful front shot. So that is absolutely gorgeous, wonderful, fantastic. Let's get these cleaned up and out of the way. So I think there was a few more things, right? There are a few more things in the box. So open it up again. Oh, that's, I forgot how loud it was. I forgot how loud it was again. Okay, that's good there. So we have a, what is this? A Bluetooth connected thermometer, meat thermometer. Very, very cool. Upgrade your grill and know when your food is ready from your mobile device. Wow, we are certainly in a digital world from the good folks over at Weber. Wow, very, very cool. And that's what's in the box. Meat Pro, Probe Wrap, colored probe indicator, 1 coin cell battery, the good old CR2032, and the optional magnetic disc. This is going to be great. I will do a separate video on this when it's warm enough to use. It is the middle of April, and for those of you in Southern Ontario, it has been snowing and cold and icy and rainy and just plain awful. So thank goodness this came when it did. There are some other things in here. So, and thanks to the power of editing, we are back, and these are all unwrapped. And these are actually really, really cool. So it's margarita, pineapple, pina colada, and iced tea. So they're drink crystals. And just the colors on them are beautiful. They're see-through, but you know, obviously they're colored, as you can see. So very, very cool. Just a quick list of ingredients and directions. Add contents to 1.5 liters of cold water, mix until dissolved, chill, and stir before serving. So that's kind of cool right there. And there's different themes for them all. And there's a little citronella candle. Sorry, I shouldn't have stumbled over that. That'll go for a good few hours. Actually, for more than that. I'm thinking maybe, I'm going to guess 10 to 12 hours. That's my very amateur guess. So all the cool things we got from Lowe's. Thank you very much for sending this our way. We have some drinks, we've got a candle, we've got our wireless thermometer that can be connected to our Bluetooth through our good old cell phone. We have the Patio collection for 2018. Again, here's a look at our very white, very non-middle of April weather patio. And our patio here at Modern Mississauga will look much different in the coming months. And again, just to kind of recap what we have here, just there's the little catalog here, and there's all sorts of colorful, bright, vibrant displays and layouts here. And the best part is if you flip right to the back, you have a list of everything that's included in this catalog. So thank you very much, Lowe's, for this beautiful package. For the drinks, for the candle, for the thermometer, for the actual Patio collection catalog, which is gorgeous. And yeah, thank you so much for that. Is there a website that we can send? So they're on Instagram at Lowe's Canada, Twitter at Lowe's_Canada, Facebook at Lowe's Canada. Sorry, the Instagram is Lowe's_Canada. I'll put these links in there as well. Yeah, and I think that wraps that up. If anybody has any questions on what's in the box, or have any home decor questions, I don't know if I can answer them, but I can definitely put you in touch with the right people that can. So thank you again, Lowe's Canada, and thanks for watching, everybody.